Hey guys, it's Jen. We are down in my basement. This is where I film. If you are a regular viewer of the channel, you recognize this little area right here, as that's kind of where I sit and film. I don't need it to be perfect. This is the one area in my house where I come down and like actually work. And one of the things I love about it is I can start projects, I can make a big mess, and I don't have to have it clean. But I would like to spruce it up, so I was like, you know what, why don't I just put some Elfa back there? And I didn't want it to go the whole length of the wall, but what I did was, I have purchased to go just right here, 3 sets of shelves that will go all the way down and will actually attach to the wall. So yeah, they're having a big sale right now. So my whole order for all the materials I need was only $219 with tax. So Scott's gonna install the top track for me because that requires the drill and it needs to be level, and he's the guy that does that. And then my job is to declutter, and then once I get decluttered and he gets the top track installed, I'll be able to really organize it and stage it and hopefully have it look, not just look good for when I do videos down here, but also be really practical for me when I'm down here paying bills and whatever. Okay, so I still have a lot to do down here, but what I want to do is get the Elfa solution on the wall first, and then I've kind of just set aside the things that I know have to go in this space right here. So the Elfa is actually ready to pick up now. I may go get it now and I wait. Scott's out at a meeting, so I may wait till he gets home. The vacuuming's done, it's nice and clean. I'm gonna take a couple things up. I'm gonna decide if I want to reallocate that credenza piece or if I want to rehome it, and I may take it down to Goodwill, because it is a nice functioning piece. It just doesn't really go with anything in my house anymore. So I'm gonna take care of that, and I'm gonna get some water because I know it was fast for you guys, but that was a lot for me. A lot of you have asked about this paint color. I think it's called Blue Jeans, and it's by Sherwin-Williams. And we love this paint color. We actually did it for the entire basement, and my husband picked it out, and I was like, it's so blue. But you know what? For the way that we use this space, I just adore it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in what will seem to you just like this, and we'll be installing some Elfa up on the wall. Woohoo!
Bring it.
Okay, I'm filming. Don't swear. So we're down in the basement listening to, what is this?
Pet Shop Boys.
Pet Shop Boys. I don't know what that is. But Scott, there's Scott, yay! Got the top track up. So there's the top track. So I want to show you guys, if you want Scott to come over to your house and install your Elfa. This is our top track, nice and level. These are our hanging standards. And what I'm gonna do is put in the brackets and the shelves, and then put all of this back together. Okay guys, project complete. Started, this literally took us less than an hour. By the time, and we're talking from the time Scott went to put the top track up to getting the shelves on. And over here, I was able to fit all my file boxes on these shelves. I've got a couple of baskets, which are perfect because they can just kind of contain loose items. I've got a little drawer thing there that's got stationery and printer paper. There's some important papers in these boxes, and those boxes are actually empty, which is a great tip when you're organizing, to always leave some empty spaces so that you can fill them up. I've got my ears on the wall. A couple of you asked. These are literally just those little plastic thumbtack things, and they're just setting on there. So I can take them off and wear them as I want as I'm filming. So I've got all my Mickey ears up there. I've got my airplane back in place. Scotty got that rehooked up for me, so I've got light there. And I am just, oh, I put all of my running books here. I actually have a lot more running books than this, but these are kind of my favorites. I may do a video on those sometime soon, but literally, this is maybe my favorite home project that I've done. Couldn't be happier with it. I feel like it's much more functional than if I just had a furniture piece here. I got 60 inches across of shelving, and if I ever wanted to add on, I could actually probably go all the way down here with it, but I kind of wanted to leave that space open. And again, I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing over here yet. From my basement, thanks for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Elfa installation, about home organizing, put those in the comments below. Have you ever taken on a project for yourself? Like we do a lot for our kids, but have you ever done your own home office? And if you haven't, I hope you do soon. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.